Well, here we are today. This video is going to be about our little guy Max that we bought recently. It was manufactured in January 2020, and we picked it up from the dealer on the end of May, right after Memorial Weekend. Our 2020 has some upgrades from the prior ones. I'll try to point those out as we go through. So let's start with the back of the trailer. Here on the back of the trailer, you have this large window. Now our trailer does not have the solar panels or the rear backup camera. On the rear here, there's a receiver, so you can put a carrier or you can put a bicycle rack carrier. What's been upgraded on the 2020 are these LED lights. There used to be red strips LEDs, now they're clear. Moving along to the side here. To the right there, that little black door is to store your sewer pipe. Then this access door is underneath the bed inside, and it goes all the way through. What's nice about this, it has a magnetic hold for it, so you don't have to hook it up or anything. And here's the inside. When I go around the other side, when I open the door, you'll be able to see it better. There it is. Over here, this little door here is a shower, outside shower, with hot and cold and a shower head. Nice feature, cleaning up things. Moving along is your shore power hookup. It's a Furion. It's that little blue light there that comes on when you have power to your trailer. These vents here are for the refrigerator inside. Over here, this little guy here is for your cable hookup. And this one here is for your shore water and filling up your tank, freshwater tank. To the left here is the hot water heater. It's both electric and propane, either or both. And over here is an outdoor LED light. So if in the night you need some light on this side, it's a nice feature. Up front here we have a what they call a smart jack. You can program it so it sets the right heights for you, so you don't have to keep guessing. And then in the front here, this is an upgrade. Before it used to be a plastic fiberglass, a little on the flimsy side. People complained about it. Now it's upgraded with a stone guard aluminum. Looking inside the box, you got your propane 20 pound and your battery. And over here, you got a battery disconnect to disconnect the battery when you're storing it. Over here on the entrance side, get a better view of it. Above you got a canopy that rolls out. Top is LED lighting, and then below it is another exterior LED light. On the outside here, can't see it, but I've got it lit up. It's daytime, so that handle to go inside is actually lit up. Nice feature at night. And then underneath the steps is another LED light that lights up. Over here, that's your exterior speaker system. Left and right, light right and left. In the center is a bracket to bring your TV from the inside outside and hook it up. And then below are some power. Outside here is your cable hookup and your HDMI. And over here is your 110. Oh, no, that's cable and HDMI. This is power and USB. And over here is the furnace. To the left of that is your entrance to the other side of the storage area here. And they also have a little switch here. Turn on an LED light. Now going inside, here's the dining area, which is a swing down table and window left, front, side, another window in the door, window over the kitchen area, another window that was in the back, curved, functional, screen door, screens, blinds, and another window to the right. One of the things that people really enjoy about this, and you'll hear a lot about, is all the windows. Then you have a cubby. Here's the dining area still. Cubby to the right, cubby to the left. Above that's your lighting for the shelf above. And then also cubby to the right of the seat, cubby to the left. And this feature is one of your TVs. This TV can be moved to just unconnect it and take it outside and you have your speakers. The dining area turns also into a standard size single bed. And you can either access the access door underneath one seat for storage the entire length of the seat. You also can access it to the cushion area. Okay. The all the windows are outfitted with this blind or screen. And then the door also has a screen. Comes out and a full screen for your door. Over here is the control panel section. It's to the left of the kitchen area. On the top left is a ground fault outlet. To the right of that is your control for your lighting with a dimmer switch, and you can't see it too well, but it's right there underneath that switch I just turned on. To the right is a charging station. Below that is your system monitoring system. It has all the switches for the lights and the pump, water pump, and the water heater, and the lighting outside, lighting inside. And then to the left is this touch screen that you can monitor your tanks. You got your fresh water, gray water, black water. And to the left of that is your entertainment center. It has CD, DVD, Bluetooth. Controls all the speakers. You got ones outside, ones in the front in the dining area, and one's back in the bedroom area. This is a change from the 2019. They had a Furrion system. Now it's Jensen. I haven't played with it too much yet, but I have to get into that yet. And then below is an outlet for your furnace to the floor in the front area. And then over down there in the back, that other circular black one is for the rear area. In the kitchen, you have a cutting top for the sink. You got these little cubbies on the left that seem to be new. And then far back on the far wall, that black square box is another outlet. That's been an update from the 2019. It's a nice update so you can put your coffee maker over there and not have your cord hanging over here and a toaster oven or whatever. The sink is a deep sink. Which is a nice feature with a gooseneck. And it also has the pull-out water. And then over here's your cooktop with the cover, so you can use it for extra space on the counter. It's Domatec. It has the electric start to it, which is a nice feature also. Above, you got a microwave. To the left, the other thing people like about this trailer is they have a lot of storage. Now to the right is the pantry area, top to bottom. Top, you got a pull-out drawer here, and it's very deep. Below, more storage. Okay, moving over here, we have the shower. It's another upgrade. That used to be you could see through the door. Now it's translucent. So that's been taken care of as a complaint amongst a lot of people. Here's your wet shower, toilet, shower head. You got a 3-speed exhaust fan for there. Right here is the smoke detector, CO2. This is your control for your heat and air conditioning. Your air conditioning is nice. It has a downward vent here that you can open and close, and side vents, so you control where it goes. Over here is the refrigerator. It's a nice size refrigerator. It's run off of 3 different ways: 12 volts, 120, and propane. Also has a nice little freezer here. And above the refrigerator, another cubby. Good place for potato chips, bread, etc. And to the left of that is a closet, actually, or you can use it for shelving. It's adjustable shelving to hang your clothes. And below the refrigerator, the only thing that doesn't work, the button is stuck on this drawer. The drawer actually comes all the way out. I was working when we inspected the trailer when we got home. The button won't come out, so it's something we have to take care of. And then over here, on the kitchen side, you have 3 drawers. Top drawer is nice and deep, with a utensil all set up for you. This drawer here is also deep. And the bottom drawer is a little shorter, a little smaller, because the plumbing and heating duct go behind that. And under the sink, you got a little thing here for your sponges, cleaning stuff. And then below the sink, you got another big area for storing all your cleaning fluids and toilet paper or whatever. Moving to the back, underneath the bed, you've got another big drawer. Over here, underneath the refrigerator drawer, is your power station, all your fuses and breakers. Moving to the bedroom area. Off the left you have more cubbies, power station or charging station, your speakers, and the other TV. And to the right, you have another cubby, window, and another area to charge your cell phones, etc. And the bed itself is a full-size queen. Hope you enjoyed the video. Plan on putting more videos up. And thank you for enjoying it.